if you do not master AI, in the next 90 days, you are playing with your life.
Welcome to AI Amebo podcast by aifinder Africa, Africa's first AI gateway. On this first episode, we would be dissecting a very interesting topic. Today, I'm here with Value Don, a tech founder with 12 years of experience, an AI marketing strategist, and an AI integration consultant. Can you see that you're about to eat well in this podcast? Sit up, don't sleep on. Welcome, Value Don. It's good to have you. So amazing to have you.
Nice to be here. Thanks so much for having me.
All right, let's just get straight into it. So, when you think of AI, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Do you think opportunity or danger?
All right, I think when you talk about AI, a lot of people think that AI is ChatGPT. That's what they look how people feel, right? They actually forget that there are hundreds and thousands of AI tools all around. So for me, when you look at AI, you look at it from an angle of two sides of a coin. When the internet came, some people are actually using the internet for good, while some are using it for bad. So AI has its own advantage. It also has its own disadvantage. So when you say opportunity or danger, I'll tell you that yes, it's an opportunity. At the same time, if it is used the wrong way, it can also be tagged as danger. So it's actually two sides of the coin.
So it could be opportunity, a good opportunity, and it could also be danger. That's so amazing. I should also have another question, because like I've been hearing it everywhere. AI will take people's job. Do you really think, because you're an AI marketing expert, do you think that AI can take like anybody's job, like right now as we speak?
So there's a lot of conversation about AI taking people's jobs, and I'll tell you that I think we should not really be bothered about AI taking your job. But what you should really look out for is upskill and master AI. Now, there are some jobs that you cannot tell me that AI is going to actually wipe off just like that. What AI is doing right now is that it's wiping off the repetitive tasks. There are so many things that human beings will take hours to do. For example, now designing a book cover, designing a lot of things can take hours. But right now with AI, you can get it done in a couple of minutes. In fact, you can design a full-blown sales page in a couple of minutes. So nobody can really say that, oh, this job is gone, this job is gone. What I can only say is, as a matter of fact, over time, things will change. Things are already changing.
Exactly.
Now, just like the same way that everybody now is a photographer. With the camera on your phone, you're a photographer. That's the same thing AI is right now. So everybody will now start building stuff with AI. Everybody will now start doing stuff with AI. So the time and age that we have right now, you can't tell me that AI is going to take bricklayers out of the market or capital out of the market. These are skill trades that people are already doing. But you see all those minor stuff and stuff that people are doing. The Anthropic CEO said that AI is coming for coding. You can see now that people are building stuff, right? So you shouldn't be bothered about you taking your job. It should be about you looking out for how can I learn? How can I master this ASAP? You understand? A lot of people are going to be kicked out of their jobs. That's the truth, right? So you are not going to be competing with AI. You are competing with a human who has mastered AI. So the competition is not you versus AI. It is you versus a human that has mastered AI. So why can't you just be that human that has mastered AI? So that's the whole conversation that we should be having, because people are afraid. They're like, oh, I'm going to lose my job tomorrow because of AI. So there are no negotiations about it. Every living human being must master AI. Either some say that it is demonic or not. You don't care about that. Master AI. It's for your own good. Right now on CVs, if you do not have, if all those reading, upping, eating, all those things on CVs, they are already outdated. Yeah. It's the time to actually put it on your certificate and say, oh, I'm an AI certified person. You learned it. You can do stuff with it. So this is the best time to master AI.
Oh, that's very good. I feel like this is the first time I'm like getting a very quality answer to this question. Thank you so much. When we were about to start this podcast, so we designed this using AI.
That's beautiful.
So amazing, right?
Yeah.
So apart from graphic design, which I have tested with AI, what can AI do perfectly?
All right. So I'm so excited that you designed this using AI.
Thank you.
Right now, people are analyzing data with AI. I have somebody who's analyzing large data using Claude. I have somebody who built a sales page using Claude, and it was posted. People are now designing websites. In fact, people are vibe coding web apps and normal apps all by using AI. Right now, people are even making music, Google Music, right? Gemini can now make music for you. People are also making faceless videos, creating content. There's an Instagram page that it's not a human that you find on it, it's an AI, right? There are a lot of stuff that people are doing there right now. People are writing codes, people are doing creative jobs right now, all by using AI. So this is the best time of our life.
Really?
Yeah,
best time of our life. AI is really doing a lot these days.
Everything.
Okay, well, that takes me to my next question. Do you think that all our schools integrating AI education into the system of the school?
This is a very big question. I think I should be emotional about this question because of the fact that nowadays we have a lot of graduates who come out of school who study a course like say computer science,
Yeah.
and they'll tell you that we were never taught how to build a website. We
Wow.
had no practicals. Right? It was just theory. So I would say that our curriculum and syllabus across institutions right now, the government and the people that are in charge need to do something about making sure that it is not outdated. You know that right now while you were in school, I'm sure that you also did it. You read with past questions of students that were way ahead of you.
Yes.
You use them in passing your exams.
Yes.
So right now it's not about passing exams. The curriculum has to be very well designed in such a way that people are learning what they need. In fact, every course must have an AI integration as part of it. There should be AI education as part of every course we can talk about. If it is biology, they should tell us how you can use AI. If it is agriculture, they should tell us how you can use AI in planting, how to use AI in determining the season when you should plant and when you should not plant. All of those things. So this is the best time to integrate that into our curriculums. But I can tell you for free that in Nigeria right now, a lot of institutions are still running an outdated syllabus, and people are even private institutions.
Yeah.
And people are paying a lot of money. At the end of the day, they come out. What did you study? I studied. I don't want to talk about it. But the reality is, a lot of them are outdated,
Yeah.
and we need to do something about that.
Let's now go to the part that I'm sure Nigerians will like. Even me, I like the money parts.
Yeah.
Do people really make money from AI or not lie? Or everything I just hype?
Reality is this. You see, making money from AI is not hype.
Yeah.
Some people are doing it, but in Nigeria, I think we actually hype things. And without talking about the processes, it's so easy for somebody to tell you you can make $1,000 from AI. Can you walk me through the process? So a lot of them cannot walk you through the process. So that's why we tell people that, see, if you want to make money with AI, you need to understand that AI is a tool. So it is what you use AI to create that you can sell. So the job of AI, if you can command AI perfectly, you can use it to create value. AI is a tool that can be used to solve a problem. So it is when you now package that solution that you can make money. So don't think you're going to sit down somewhere and AI will bring you money. No. So let me give you examples right here.
Okay.
So if I use an AI tool like Claude to design an ebook, I can use Claude to write the ebook. I can use Claude to design the hardcover of the book, get the book published as a PDF, and put it on a site like Amazon KDP. You know I can make money when people buy that book.
Right.
I have created a product using AI. That's one. Two, if I am an AI automation or workflow specialist who is looking at a business that is struggling with automation, and I can build something that they can use on their WhatsApp to get their orders, reply even when they are not there, more like automation.
Solving the problem.
Yes, I am solving the problem at that time, and I can sell it to businesses.
No.
So if I code a platform, for example, say a POS platform for a pharmacy, such a solution I can sell it to pharmacies. So that tells you that I've solved another problem. So AI can make you money when you use it to solve a problem. That's why we even talk about one of the easiest way of making money with AI is AI monetization, AI content monetization, where you can make a video on YouTube, make a video on Instagram or Facebook, and it's monetization, and you start making your money from it. That's still like one of the easiest way of making money from AI.
Yeah.
If you have people now that are AI designers, they can design anything using AI. Unless they tell you that they use AI. So we have new careers that are coming up right now, right? New careers are coming up every day right now. So I can tell you that yes, there is money in AI, but the money will not come to you. You are going to use AI, create value, and sell. In fact, one problem a lot of people are going to have with AI is a lot of people are going to create stuff with AI, but they will now get stuck when it is time to sell it.
Market it, yeah.
So the problem is not creating with AI anymore. The problem is now distribution. That's another thing entirely. So I can tell you, there's money in AI. If you can use it to solve a problem, you make your money. Yeah. So it's real.
Yeah.
Very.
Okay, Value Done. What do you think the future holds for people that are not mastering AI this year? Because the speed AI is taking recently is a lot. What do you think the future holds for them?
So firstly, if all you know about AI is ChatGPT, you are no lodo. That's number one. So some have also said that AI is demonic. Some have said that AI is 666 or whatever they've said it is. People are too spiritual about things. Right now, there's an AI tool that is being used in churches that the moment the preacher mentions a verse, it comes up. So there's no need for immediate thing right now, sometimes. So what I can tell you right now is this. If you do not master AI, in the next 90 days, you are playing with your life. In fact, You are playing with poverty.
Oh wow.
Sincerely, because you cannot tell me that we are living in the 2026. We are living in 2026 and you are still in 1999. That's crazy. Where are DVDs? Where are VCDs? You can't find them anymore. That should make you understand that the world is moving faster. So if the world is running faster than you and you are stuck at a point, something is wrong. Such a person needs to go for a mental surgery just to know if this person is really okay. So if you are part of those guys that are saying AI is a scam, AI does not work, any single thing, AI. In fact, organizations right now that are world class are already using AI. So what are we saying? Yeah. You need to just wake up to the reality and tell yourself, you don't control the world. This is how the world is. It's changing. We used to have donkeys. We used to have camels as a means of transportation back then. Now it's cars, now jets, now planes. So the world is moving faster. You need to move with the world. The reason why a lot of people are going to be poor and broke, even after their certificates in school, is because they refuse to adapt to the world. You need to upskill time to time. For every level, you need to learn. So you should not be the same person last year, this year. So in the next 3 months, 90 days, there's a word from a wise man that says 90 days can change your life. At the same time, 90 days can destroy your life. So in the next 90 days, if you do not master AI, you are olodo, and I'm sorry, you are going to cry about it. You're going to regret that you didn't master AI.
Wow, thank you so much, Mr. Value Down, for this amazing episode. Even me here alone, I'm full of wisdom now.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Podcast. We come to the end of today's AI Amebo podcast, and I'm sure you enjoyed it. So if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, and also share this video. See you in the next episode. Bye.